So Kenji fell asleep during our trip, so he's so cute.
Aww.
And he has fallen asleep during our very long Milan tour. Isn't he so cute? By the way, there's a Starbucks behind us, so let's go there. I'm starting to doubt that this is Starbucks.
I can smell the coffee. Oh, poor little thing.
Completely. Can I take his place? It smells of coffee, right?
I could smell the coffee.
Smell?
Maybe I could smell it. Poor little thing.
Un'occhiata al menù, poi scegli.
Okay, unfortunately they do not have a frap, but still here's the menu. Okay, so here we're at Starbucks Milan, and I'm here to give you a quick little tour. Let's go. So here, so that's here where they like make a coffee. That's just loud. I do not know how it works. There's some stuff. Other stuff.
Here.
I do not know, but still, all of this looks so good. Like, wow. The cocoa beans and, yeah, they're mixing the cocoa beans there. They're really where? Awesome. Everything looks awesome here. Like, I never went to any Starbucks, but this is the first time. Let's go.
Maggio. Sera.
That looks so good. But guys, that's actually the first time. I legit do not know what to order. But still, I just kind of want one drink. I just want a drink because that's the most experienced thing at Starbucks. actually very sweet and inspired by an ice cream. So yeah. I was about to drop it. Here. But still, it's from my order. Guys, so now the order has arrived. Like, wow. It looks like the one from the picture, but better. Like, okay, can I take the straw? Yeah. Strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. It's kind of like inspired of that ice cream trio that I know. So now I'll get the straw.
Mine is pistachio latte, praline latte, and daddy lemon sour.
Are you guys sure that the straw is for me? Very cool.
Oh, Ate, I think that's mine.
No, it can be yours.
Yeah, I think this is mine.
And the spoon is for me. Tastes so good! Wow! Okay, so guys, I'll get a scoop of this. Delicious! So smooth, so soft.
Mine? Pistachio. Ready? Oh.
Accidentally, it's actually coffee, but still, the starch tastes so good. It's actually coffee, but still tastes good.
I love this.
Especially the ice, it's so hard. So guys, here that I enjoy my drink at Starbucks Milan. I think this video is done. Please like, share, and subscribe. I think you reached the end of the video and watch the other part here, and subscribe here. Bye-bye. And remember, life is full of surprises. And Jesus loves you all. Bye-bye. Wah, wah, wah.